Hey guys, it's Justin Brook from adskills.com, and we're breaking down another big company today. This is the one that I've been talking to you guys about. This is canva.com. So we're going to be checking out all of their marketing. We're going to take a look at their SEO. We're going to take a look at their paid ads. We're going to try and take a look at a little bit of their social media and see what's really going on, see if we can decide what kind of strategies they really got going on. You'll be able to see some of their top ads, some of their top landing pages, all that good stuff. So let's jump in and get this done. So first we see their homepage. You know, looks decent, a lot of white. It's interesting. The pricing comes right up there. And then we'll notice that they have sign up for free, so you can sign up for free. And it doesn't even look like you have to use any kind of credit card to get signed up. So yeah, they're using the product-led marketing technique where they give you the product absolutely for free, get you in there first, and then later on they're going to try and start charging you. So let's take a look at their traffic. Here they are in SimilarWeb. Unfortunately, I can't log into my SimilarWeb account. There's like a 503 and 404 error. I don't know. They're just having some server issues while I'm making this video. So, but we can still see a lot of information. So we can see that they're getting 457 visits, 457 million visits per month. That's just outstanding. I mean, they're up there with like the Adobes and the Apples, and they're up there. Bounce rate 28%, amazing. Average visit duration 10 minutes. I mean, they're doing really, really good. What else can we see in here without having to log in? We see that they're growing. Their traffic is growing pretty well. Mostly American audience. I'm surprised there's not more Australian audience since it's an Australian entrepreneur. Age distribution, we see that they definitely are younger. So most of their users being between the ages of 18 and 34. We see that that's over 60%. Yeah, almost 65% of their users. And then if we were to add in the 35 to 44, so if we went all the way up to 44, we're going to get to like almost 90% of their users are under the age of 44, with it sliding into this sweet spot of 25 to 34. We also see that it goes a little bit more male, more female than male, but looks like almost half and half there. Top categories, yeah, that's about all we're going to be able to see without logging in. Country-wise, dominant United States. Interesting to see that Brazil, Mexico, and Philippines are their next ones. Philippines and India, I know there's a lot of outsourcing there, so I'm sure there's a big community of outsourcers there, and there's a long tail of all the other countries, 57% of the users using those, but their top three would be United States, Brazil, and Mexico. Then we're going to go and check out their Facebook ads here. These are some just kind of sponsored ads up here. Those don't really matter. We're going to take a look at their actual Canva ads down here. We see a lot of story ads. We see that vertical phone format. So that's going to tell us that there's some story ads going on here. And then we see a couple of ads repeating themselves. That's usually a clue as to what's actually working, because they don't give us a whole lot of data in this tool. But when we see that they're copying the same ad over and over again, so we see this this Asian girl here, we see her once, twice. So we see that one copy, but then the other one we see a lot is this guy over here. We see this classwork, make classwork fun and creative. We see that over and over again. Less time preparing, more time teaching. So they're really targeting teachers with this tool. And then we see a couple of other ads that look like more like feature releases. I would play the ad for you, but I got in trouble on YouTube last time I played the ad because I totally forgot you can't just be playing any kind of music in the background and everything. So I got to be a little bit careful with this. We can bring it up here. You can see a little bit more of the text that's going on. Who knew / could create so much magic. When I did watch this, this is just an example of UGC, user-generated content. So, okay, we see this one, story, but then we see that if we click here, there's two ads. So they do have a feed version of this ad as well. This one looks very dominant. And if we go back into their search results, let's count it. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times they're using that same one. But yeah, so that's kind of their strategy. Looks like they're really going after teachers, and they're showing them like, look, you can spend less time preparing, more time teaching. So that's kind of their benefit. Then we're going to jump into SEM Rush. we can take a look at their search traffic as well as their paid search traffic. That's their Google ads, backlinks, 86 million backlinks. That's bananas. All right, so let's take a look at some of their search phrases. Let's try to decipher what their strategy is. So we're going to go ahead and click view details, see their top organic keywords. Give this a minute to rank, get the ads out of the way, and then we're going to go sort this by volume. I think it was already sorted by volume. Yes, so we see 6 million searches a month for Canva. Man, could you imagine your brand is so big that your impressions of your brand name in 6 million people a month are searching Canva. That's bonkers. I can't even imagine that. Mine's like 309 for ad skills. Let me see. What do we got here? Color wheel is one of their top ranking or one of their top volume keywords. What they're actually okay. So they got a blog post about color wheels going on. What else do they got? Photo editor, video editor, AI image generator, infographic, rankings. Let's see, what positions are they? Yeah, so they're #1 for video editor, #2 for AI image generator. So they're pulling, so they're going after some real big keywords. They're Canva. They got a ton of money, a ton of help employees, teams, and stuff like that, and then credibility in the industry as well. Probably not some stuff that we would be able to go after. No, okay. So yeah, we see. Look at this. We see a lot of Spanish stuff. All right, we saw that their audience, I believe that's Indian writing there, and we saw that that was another country. So yeah, they've got some stuff. They're ranking for some other language keywords as well. I wonder if they have those pages translated. All right. Okay, so it looks like their search traffic, if we can go back a couple of pages, a lot of brand stuff, and then they were going after big keywords: logo designing, AI image generator, free website builder. So the people who would be looking for them, not like question based, not like competitor based, they're going after the big keywords, and they're trying to rank for those big things with all their backlinks, with all their credibility. Now let's go back and let's take a look at their paid search strategy. Okay, I think we're back to the main page here. So let's go paid search down here, top paid keywords, view details. And I don't know if you guys caught it, but I saw some brand search in there. Yes, absolutely. Brand search again and again and again and again. I can't beat this into your heads enough. Brand search is one of the absolute highest things that you should be advertising. It's the first campaign that I start for any type of client. When I'm, when friends are asking me, how do I start? I said, first thing you need is brand search. So we see they're not only advertising on their brand, they're advertising on misspellings of their brand as well. Canva login, then we got Word document. That's interesting to be advertising on that. Collage maker, that makes sense. So again, they're kind of going after the same type of keywords that they were going after with their search. Those big, like, people that are looking for a specific tool, something that their software does. They're trying to make sure that they get in front of those people whenever they're looking for those type of tools. Canvas Print, sticker maker, same thing, same kind of idea. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of their landing pages. So this would, for sticker maker, flyer maker, let's go to this landing page here and check it out. Design professional logos instantly, create a logo. Okay, so same strategy. That's what we're seeing. We're seeing it over and over again. They're saying, okay, here's these tools, these specific tools that people are trying to search for, whether it be paid or free. They're looking for these specific tools. Let's make pages dedicated to that tool, and then we're going to throw backlinks, we're going to throw content, we're going to throw paid ads. We're going to try and get in front of people that are looking for these specific types of tools, and then we're going to funnel them into our software, because our software does that as well as many other things. And so flyer maker, sticker maker, logo maker, all of those kind of things, they're highly optimizing for those types of tools. So we get it. We see that their strategy is basically brand search and then going after these big tools. Let's take a look inside AdBeat now and see what we can see inside here. We see that their spend is $4.9 million. This is per year. Impressions, 586 million impressions. Bulk of that ad spend going to YouTube, and then the rest of that going to, or most of the rest of that going to Google Display. So let's take a look, see what if we can see some of their ads. And again, I'm probably not going to be able to play these ads. Let me click on this one. I got it on mute, so I can play it. I'll go ahead and play this one. And then here we go. We see the same thing, video editor, right? So same thing. They're looking for people who are looking for a specific type of tool, and then they're bringing them into the Canva world, showing them like, look, not only do we have your video editor or your logo maker or your flyer maker or your sticker maker, we have all of that combined. And so they're looking for people. They're trying to get in front of people who are going after these specific types of tools, and then they're getting in front of them with their ads. So let's play this. You got a couple of people that are looking over demonstration, which is brilliant. That is a very powerful, persuasive model. So they're just showing exactly how to use the product. Love that. All right. So if you're a software, there's some great ideas in here. So you want product demonstration ads. You want ads that target your ideal user. So their ideal user was teachers. So they got ads targeting them, showing teachers, here's how you can save time using our tool. Then they're also targeting people who are looking for tools like theirs, and they're getting their pages in front of them, whether it be paid search or free search. They got $1.5 million spent on this single landing page. So let's go ahead and take a look at this landing page real quick. We see a centered headline this time. Last one was over on the left. And again, we see some product demonstration. They're just showing exactly how the product works right there at the top of their page. And then their call to action, like the last one, it was like create your logo. This one is edit a video. So it's like telling you, get to work, start working right away. You click this button, and then you're going to get in there and start working on your thing. Create a video shows you that there's a bunch of different types of videos that you can do. So it's giving the user ideas of what else they could do with this tool. Lots of good, interesting things here on these pages. You guys can look them up afterwards. Let's go ahead and take a look at them on social media. So we're going to go Twitter, and we'll search Canva, and we'll see what's going on with Canva. So let's go people. Check out their profile. So we got 277,000 followers on here. Their pinned post is their new Canva Create announcement. That makes sense for them. But let's take a look at what their latest stuff here. Say hello to this week's trending elements. So they're showing new things that are inside the platform that you can use. Again, product demonstration. We see this happening. It was in their Facebook ads. They were demoing the product. It's in their YouTube ads. They're demoing the product. It was on their landing pages. They were demoing the product. I don't know if I could say it any other way. Like, their strategy is, we're looking for people who are looking for this type of tool, and then we're showing them how our tool does that thing that they're looking for. And we see that they're, look at, most of their posts are all just showing you how to use the tool. So this is an underline, and then their tool just snaps it down. Yeah, so product demonstration. Let's check them out on Instagram. We'll go over there to the Instas. Okay, close. All right, 1.4 million followers. So Twitter, 277,000, 1.4 million on Instagram, which makes sense because Instagram is a very visual, very video-based platform. So I'm assuming that basically it's SEO, because they're trying to get in front of people looking for these tools, right? And they got some paid search going on there as well. But then really strong on YouTube and Instagram, because that's where they can demonstrate their tool. And then we know that there's tons of people on YouTube creating Canva tutorials. We see what their posts are. Again, templates your way, what's new, spring cleaning, organized with folders. Again, demonstrating the product. Here's another way that you can use it. Here's another way. We see this girl again, that was in the ads, how you can make videos on beat, how you can make mood boards, spacing and alignment, create festivals, create scrapbook design. So everything that they're creating is just showing you, here's another way you can use our product. Here's another idea. Here's another way you can use our product. So all product demonstration. So that there is it. If I could wrap up the Canva strategy in a nutshell, is trying to get in front of teachers, which is also another way that they got so many people to create YouTube tutorials. They're blowing up on YouTube. So they're going after the teachers. They're looking for people who are creating logos, flyers, stickers, video editing, all these different small tools, and they're getting in front of them using SEO, search ads, YouTube, Instagram, and they're on the different social medias, but we can see that there is vastly less people on the different social medias, but they're they got a lot of people on YouTube, a lot of people on Instagram, and that's mainly where they're showing. And then what they're doing with their ads, how they're getting people to join, is they're just showing how to use their product in lots of different demonstrations, from how to create a mood board to how to create a logo to how to edit your videos, or just showing people how to use their product over and over again. All right, I'm Justin Brook from adskills.com. That was my breakdown of Canva.